power, performance, controllability, and a rugged durability to maintain tip-top condition over the long haul. These are the features that have brought Kobelco Excavators the trust of its many customers. The explanation is simple. From the drawing board all the way through to final assembly, the manufacture of Kobelco machines is based on a single underlying product concept. The production of first-class excavators demands careful attention to each and every one of its structural components. Working from that belief, Kobelco itself oversees manufacture of the machine body, attachment, and lower carriage. Kobelco hydraulic excavators roll off state-of-the-art assembly lines at the company's GION plant. These high-performance machines would not please our discriminating customers without assembly components of the best quality, because these are the components that guarantee the excavator's renowned durability. So Kobelco manufactures its own assembly components at the NUMATA plant. A wide range of assembly components is produced at the NUMATA plant. Having a component production plant to ensure product quality and reliability is central to Kobelco's manufacturing philosophy. Excavator component production translates into production lines for lower rollers, upper rollers, swing bearings, and idlers. Let's take a closer look at these assembly component production lines. Manufacture of lower rollers starts from the crude processing of half rollers. These half rollers are then friction welded together to form a lower roller shell. In friction welding, the pressure of friction is utilized to bond the joint. This gives a more reliable result than the usual method using welding rods. The lower roller shell is furnace hardened for 1 hour to enhance its strength. It's also treated with water and compressed air to give even greater strength and hardness. At this point, an MT inspection checks for cracks and tests whether the component meets the required strength. After inspection, a finishing process is added. The lower roller shell is fitted with the shaft, bushes, seals, and collars. Lower roller assembly is complete. A check for oil leaks is performed. If it passes, the lower roller is charged with grease and is finally painted. Kobelco also manufactures the shafts for lower rollers. The Crude processing, fluting, heat treatment, and finishing are all performed in an integrated procedure. Upper roller shells are produced through a similar procedure of crude processing, heat treatment, tempering, and finishing, and the shafts are also manufactured. Upper roller assembly is a completely automated process. Robots undertake the complex work of assembling the bodies and shafts, bolting, and charging with grease. For a smooth swing, a swing bearing of high quality is essential. Cutting the gear teeth requires sophisticated technology. Ball bearings are fitted between the swing bearing and swing circle to complete production. Aside from the welding, idler assembly is almost entirely a manual process. The idler and track springs are assembled to complete the idler links. The rollers, idler, and swing bearing are major components that must be tough and durable. To ensure the highest quality, Kobelco manufactures these components at a dedicated plant, using its own tried and tested technologies. Hydraulic excavators are built from a great number of components, and Kobelco takes the utmost care over every single one. Parts procured from vendors are meticulously checked for their quality. But to retain the valued trust of customers, Kobelco knows that nothing beats its own supervision on the manufacture of major assembly components and other equipment.